Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you here and we invite you to subscribe, like and share our content with your fellow biomedical engineers and medical professionals to enhance their knowledge. Today we'll be addressing two common issues in the field. Issue 1 error code 24, which indicates a lack of communication between the CR and software. Issue 2, the presence of audible motor noise during scanning. Let's delve into the root causes of these problems. Root cause 1, a malfunctioning communication port, hindering the connection between the CR and software. Root cause 2, misalignment and minor wear of the motor gear teeth, leading to the observed noise during scanning. To tackle these challenges effectively, we propose the following solutions. Solution 1, replace the faulty communication port with a direct connection using a USB male to female adapter. Solution 2, realign the gear teeth to ensure a secure grip with the rail gear drive mechanism. By implementing these solutions, we can enhance the efficiency and performance of the equipment, ultimately improving patient care and diagnostic accuracy. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your peers in the medical field. Thank you for joining us today, and let's continue learning together.